which is now chain driven with one motor in the middle instead of have one on each side. That's going to eliminate the side gap. So now we have a motor with a tensioner with a belt drive. A chain drive. It's really solid, stainless steel, so it won't rust. Stronger motor, so it can spin both side brushes. So we're going to show you how you double the cleaning. So what I'm going to do now is put the side brushes on, and then I'm going to show you how all that works. What you do, you take your pen, take out the cover, slides right in. See how it's telescoping? So you got a lot of room. And then when you close it in, the gap's almost gone. So you put the pin in. Turn it. It locks that pin in. Then we're going to bring the bus bars out. Lock them in. We're going to do the opposite side. There's that one. Let me just grab the pin. You can see how, move the dust bar out. You can see how the gap is going to be gone. Okay, pin it. See how you lock that pin in? Now it's locked, solid. And now I'm going to flip it on remote. Take the wireless remote. And turn it on. Now you see it doubles the cleaning. Over 7 feet of cleaning with that. And it looks like there's still a little gap, but once you put like that, gap's gone. And then there's a chain guard in the middle. Another side brush. You can put one side brush on if you're doing an inside corner, or just put all of them on to clean double. So if you want to stop it. If you want to reverse it, all off is remote. And it goes hundreds of feet. So no issue on how far it goes. It's got some blocks on the bottom of it, so it goes over frames during the way. It also has some spinning rubber bumpers, so it won't hurt nothing. And this one keeps the water from falling to the ground. A bunch of water falling from the ground. It keeps the water inside, and it also has some drain holes to drain it. Same as this side. And you can see how. And when this is wet, it's slippery. And this is brush technology for millions of cars, so it's proven technology. Here's your bus bar, so if you were to, you can see how far this is apart, over 8 foot. So it could never spin around and cause an issue. You can see the chain spinning, quiet, not too loud at all. We'll stop it, reverse. And like I said, there's adjustment. If you ever need adjustment, you shouldn't need to even adjust it. It's preset. A lot of stuff's the same as before, except the new, like I said, the belt drive in the middle. It really helps out. We got the weight bars on the back, so we can put more weight, push it more to the front. We got a new box, more user friendly, and we got a plug and play. So if something ever happened to your box, we take it off, plug it back in, and give you a new box. We got the new We got the new hooks that are swivels. Then come out, so when you drop the thing from the rope, you put it right on there. We even got the hook here, so just don't bang against the building on the way down. Only the little eyelet comes down. And then we got a rope that we can take it off and pull it over a frame or pull it over if there's a tree or something in the area. You want to pull it over, the rope is sitting there for your convenience. I'm going to shut it off. I'm going to show you how fast it takes to take this off. So all you have to do is go like that, pull it off, pretty much done. Square bearings, these are farmer bearings built for the field that are square, that last forever. And we have a square tube here, so the brush don't spin ever. It's square instead of round. And that's the new Mini.